Let me tell you about the AI tools that you never knew about. After exploring these AI tools you will forget about the chatgpt. Get ready. Number 1. Rewind AI. Rewind AI provides real-time transcription and automated note-taking within our increasingly remote and video-based world. Number 2. Compose AI. Compose AI is a free Chrome plugin that accelerates your writing, lets you use autocomplete anywhere, and will decrease your time spent typing. Number 3. Browse AI. Browse AI is the first AI-powered web automation software that learns to perform data extraction, monitoring, and automation tasks on the web simply by observing someone perform the actions once. Number 4. Descript AI. Descript is the only tool you need to write, record, transcribe, edit, collaborate, and share your videos and podcasts. Video editing. Editing video in Descript is as easy as using docs and slides. Number 5. BeHuman AI. BeHuman is an artificial intelligence-powered platform that allows users to build workflow sequences across apps and uses a mixture of proprietary voice cloning, auto lip sync, and morphing technology. For more videos like these, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.